How to log out of Facebook from all devices. First thing first, you just have to go ahead and open up your Facebook app. And once you are here, just make sure that you're logged in. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right. And then here, you're just going to have to tap on the gear icon to head over to settings. Tap on your account center right on top. So go ahead and head over to your account center. And once you land on your account center page, you just have to tap on password and security. Then from here, you can see where you are logged in. And then choose your Facebook account to see its info where you're logged in. Now you can just go ahead and select devices to log out. And then you can tap on select all and then tap on logout. It will log out of you from all of your devices. And that's how you log out of Facebook from all devices. I hope this tutorial was helpful, guys. I'll see you on the next one.